they create the place. And the streets and squares may be government and local communities, everybody has visions. Some have been created and
The concept that we have had an opportunity to tour today is more or less the concept that is going to be designed with sufficient adjustments in the context of the Nairobi Railway City. It's a serious economic hub, and this is one of the key arrangements or programs that the President of Kenya has been working on as part of reviving the economy.
A lot of work has been done already. We've seen the design, we've seen the financing models which have gone through cabinet. We've seen the feasibility studies done and approved, and therefore really with this visit it opens new horizons in terms of actualizing and developing the programs. We should be able to actualize this, walk through that journey and give our Nairobians, our Kenyans, the kind of facilities that we've seen here in London.